Security architects, are you tired of playing whack-a-mole with breach after breach? Lateral movement attacks are crippling networks. Compliance audits keep you up at night, and those legacy firewalls? They're basically welcome mats for attackers. Our Zero Trust Architecture Pack gives you identity-first design blueprints with SAML 2.0/SOC 2 alignment, microsegmentation playbooks for Kubernetes clusters, real-time monitoring dashboards with Elk Stack integration, and automated least privilege policy generators. This isn't theory, it's battle-tested code. Whether you're a cloud security engineer, DevSecOps lead, or CISO, you'll sleep better knowing your network isn't just secure, it's unrecognizable to attackers. Spoiler, trust nothing, not even your coffee machine. Here's what's inside the Zero Trust Architecture Pack. Identity verification protocols with biometric MFA workflows. Microsegmentation design for containerized apps using Calico network policies. Continuous monitoring modules with Prometheus exporters and Grafana dashboards. Automated policy engines for just-in-time access in AWS IAM. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. We've included zero-day detection playbooks using Sigma rules, plus SIEM integrations for Splunk Phantom. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a toolkit. It's your new security operating system. Installing the Zero Trust Architecture Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add Zero Trust Pack. That's it. You'll download 12 architecture frameworks, 6 policy generators, and 3 live monitoring stacks. The whole workflow. No config hell either. Your next Claude code session picks up the context automatically. Your AI assistant now speaks ZTNA fluently, with embedded knowledge of NIST SP 800-207 and Forrester's ZTX. Warning: may cause existential dread in your old firewall admin. Zero Trust starts here, and it ends with you winning.